Best Gaming PC in 2024. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and gaming legends. Today, we're diving into an electrifying journey through the world of gaming PCs. Imagine having a super powerful machine that can take you to different universes, help you fight dragons, build empires, or race at lightning speed, all from your desk. That's what the best gaming PCs of 2024 offer. Just like superheroes, each of these PCs has their own special powers, design, and gadgets to make your gaming experience epic. So, buckle up as we count down from number 7 to the ultimate number 1 gaming PC that's capturing gamers' hearts worldwide. And remember, we're keeping it cool and simple so everyone can get why these machines are so awesome. Let's get started. Number 7, HP Omen 45L. Kicking off our list at number 7 is the HP Omen 45L. Imagine a gaming fortress that's not just powerful but also looks like it came from the future. That's the Omen 45L for you. It's packed with the latest tech to make sure your games run smoother than a hot knife through butter. The magic doesn't stop there. It boasts a majestic design that could easily be the centerpiece of any gamer's setup, with customizable RGB lighting that dances to the beat of your victories and defeats. And the best part, it's got a cooling system that's like having your own personal Arctic breeze, keeping everything chill even when the gaming heat is on. Plus, its expandability means you can upgrade it, ensuring it stays at the top of its game for years. Whether you're battling dragons or racing against time, the HP Omen 45L is your loyal companion, ready to take on any challenge without breaking a sweat. So, gear up and get ready to embark on endless adventures with a PC that's as fearless as you are. This titan of technology doesn't just promise top-tier performance, it delivers it in spades, making every gaming session an unforgettable journey into the heart of digital landscapes. With its formidable processing power and graphics capabilities, the Omen 45L ensures that you're always at the forefront of gaming innovation, rendering every detail of your virtual worlds with astonishing clarity and precision. Its robust architecture isn't just about providing a seamless gaming experience, it's also about offering a platform that evolves with you, adaptable to future upgrades and technological advancements. The HP Omen 45L represents a harmonious blend of form and function, where every design element serves a purpose, enhancing your gaming without compromising on style. It's a testament to what gaming PCs can achieve, setting a high bar for competitors and establishing itself as a benchmark in the gaming community. With the Omen 45L, you're not just buying a gaming PC, you're investing in a future-proof companion that's ready to face tomorrow's gaming challenges alongside you. Number 6, Corsair Vengeance i7500. Next up at number 6 is the Corsair Vengeance i7500. Picture this, a gaming wizard that knows exactly what you need for your magical gaming adventures. With customizable lights and a brain, aka processor, that's as sharp as a tack, this PC doesn't just play games, it conquers them. This machine is a beast, wrapped in an elegant chassis that whispers power in every detail, from its tempered glass panels to its sophisticated RGB lighting that can sync with your gaming mood. The i7500 isn't just about looks though, it's packed with cutting-edge components that can handle the most demanding games and software without breaking a sweat. Its top-tier graphics card ensures your visual experience is nothing short of breathtaking, bringing game worlds to life with stunning detail and fluid motion. Plus, its ample storage means you can keep all your favorite games at the ready. With the Corsair Vengeance i7500, you're not just playing, you're immersing yourself in a gaming experience that's tailored to perfection. Get ready to be the master of your virtual realms with a PC that's as formidable in performance as it is in appearance. Number 5, iBuyPower Slate Mesh Gaming Desktop. Halfway through at number 5, the iBuyPower Slate Mesh Gaming Desktop makes its mark. It's like the cool, mysterious new kid on the block that everyone wants to know. It's designed, sleek, and stunning. But it's not just about looks, this machine has the guts to back it up, offering top-notch gaming performance without breaking a sweat. Encased within its eye-catching mesh front panel is a powerhouse of technology designed to catapult you into gaming excellence. The Slate Mesh is a marvel of engineering equipped with the latest and most powerful processors and graphics cards, ensuring that lag and load times are a thing of the past. This desktop is not just a gaming machine, it's a gateway to new worlds, enabling you to experience every game at its highest potential. With iBuyPower Slate Mesh, you're not just playing games, you're stepping into them, ready to explore every corner of the universe with unparalleled smoothness and speed. Get ready to dominate the gaming scene with a desktop that's as fearless and adventurous as your gaming spirit. Number 4. Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8. Moving on to number 4, we have the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8. Imagine a gaming champion that's both brainy and brawny. That's the Legion Tower for you. It's built to tackle the toughest games today and ready for whatever comes next. Plus, it lights up in a way that says, yeah, I'm gaming. This beast isn't just about raw power, it's about smart power. With its cutting-edge AI features, it optimizes performance in real time, making sure you're always getting the best experience without having to lift a finger. The Legion Tower 7i doesn't just meet the standards for elite gaming, it sets them. Its impressive architecture ensures that every component works at its optimal temperature thanks to an innovative cooling system that's quiet yet effective. And when it comes to customization, this PC is a dream, allowing you to tweak settings and lighting to match your personal style. It's more than just a gaming PC, it's a statement piece that tells the world you're serious about gaming. With the Lenovo Legion Tower 7i Gen 8, you're not just playing the game, you're leading the pack with a machine that's as dynamic and adaptable as the gaming landscape itself. Get ready to unleash your potential and dominate every battlefield with unparalleled precision and power. Number 3. Acer Predator Orion 7000. Taking the bronze at number 3 is the Acer Predator Orion 7000. Think of it as a gaming powerhouse hidden inside a spaceship. It's got the power, the looks, and the cool factor all wrapped up in one. When it comes to gaming, the Orion 7000 doesn't just play, it dominates. This machine is a testament to what happens when cutting-edge technology meets aggressive, futuristic design. Its towering presence is accentuated by a chassis that not only looks like it's been teleported from the next century, but also boasts advanced cooling systems that ensure your hardware stays as cool as a cucumber during intense gaming sessions. With easy-to-upgrade components, the Orion 7000 is future-proof, allowing you to stay ahead of the game as technology evolves. Its lightning-fast processors and top-of-the-line graphics cards make every game a visual masterpiece, rendering them with such detail and fluidity that you'll forget you're not actually in the game. The Predator Orion 7000 is more than just a gaming PC. It's your ticket to a gaming experience that's so immersive and powerful, you'll feel like you're commanding a spacecraft on a mission to conquer new worlds. Ready to take the leap? The Orion 7000 awaits to make you the master of your gaming universe. Number 2. CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme i7 4080. Almost there at number 2, the CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme is like the superhero sidekick you always wanted. It's super reliable, incredibly powerful, and ready to jump into action at a moment's notice. With this PC, every game feels like you're stepping into another world. This gaming behemoth is a dream come true for those who crave ultra-high settings and buttery smooth frame rates. The Gamer Supreme doesn't just run games, it breathes life into them, showcasing dazzling graphics and unparalleled detail that can make you pause just to admire the scenery. It's equipped with the latest in gaming technology, ensuring that you're always one step ahead in the ever-evolving gaming landscape. The customization doesn't end with hardware, its RGB lighting and sleek design mean that this PC looks just as good as it performs. It's not merely a machine, it's a portal to vast gaming universes waiting to be explored. With the CyberPower PC Gamer Supreme, you're not just playing games, you're embarking on epic adventures, forging unforgettable memories and experiencing the thrill of victory in ways you never thought possible. Strap in and prepare for liftoff, your gaming is about to reach new heights. Number 1. Alienware Aurora R15. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for. At number 1, it's the Alienware Aurora R15. Imagine a gaming legend that's out of this world. With its jaw-dropping design and mind-blowing performance, the Aurora R15 isn't just playing the game, it's changing it. This PC is the dream machine for any gamer looking to reach the stars. It's where unparalleled power meets the pinnacle of innovation, housing the most advanced gaming technology in a chassis that's as breathtaking as the cosmos itself. The Aurora R15 doesn't just run games, it renders them in such lifelike detail and fluidity, you'll forget where reality ends and the game begins. It's a beacon of gaming excellence, featuring customizable lighting that makes it a visual spectacle and thermal engineering that keeps it cool under pressure, ensuring peak performance at all times. This gaming titan offers a celestial gaming experience that's not just about dominating the leaderboards, but about elevating your entire gaming journey to new dimensions. With the Alienware Aurora R15, you're not just equipped with a gaming PC, you're wielding a masterpiece that represents the zenith of gaming technology. Prepare to be propelled into a realm where every session is epic, every battle is legendary, and every gamer can touch the stars. Welcome to the future of gaming, where the Alienware Aurora R15 reigns supreme. And there you have it, folks, the best gaming PCs of 2024, from the future-ready warriors to the ultimate gaming legends. Each one brings something special to the table, making sure your gaming adventures are nothing short of extraordinary. Remember to hit that subscribe button and join us for more awesome reviews and the latest scoop in the tech and gaming world. Until next time, keep gaming, keep dreaming, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next legend in the gaming universe. See ya.